Are you facing foreclosure but not sure what to do? Should you attempt a short sale, a modification, or try to fight the foreclosure? In this video, I'll explain which option is appropriate for which situation and help you find the right strategy for you. For those of you I haven't met, I'm Jim Keaveney of Keaveney Legal Group. We are a New Jersey and Pennsylvania-based law firm that focuses on foreclosure defense and other alternatives to foreclosure. We counsel clients every day on the appropriate course of action for their circumstances. I'm going to give you an overview of the main strategies and explain when they are most useful. Let's get started. For those who are completely underwater and want to move but can't because of an upside-down mortgage, or simply don't want to deal with the headaches of home ownership anymore, a short sale or deed in lieu may be a good option. A short sale allows you to sell the property for less than the actual amount due on the mortgage after the bank approves the sale. The goal here is to get the property sold without having to pay a deficiency judgment. Similarly, if you're already going into foreclosure, a deed in lieu may be a good option. This allows you to give title to the property directly to the bank, rather than going through the hassle and expense of fighting a foreclosure lawsuit. Again, what we're trying to avoid here is a deficiency judgment. These options are known as exit strategies and apply when you don't care about losing the property and would rather move on. Now, if you'd like to keep the property, you should consider trying to obtain a loan modification. It's important to know that time can be against you when you try to modify your loan, so the sooner the better. There are many government programs that can help you, and you need to investigate those as soon as possible. You can do all this while avoiding the damage to your credit and the headaches of responding to a foreclosure lawsuit. Now, if you're behind in the payments, it's also possible to get a good loan modification, but most people need help to do it because it's a complex and frustrating process. For some, the best strategy is simply hold on as long as possible. Perhaps you have lost your job or experienced some other setback that is going to make it impossible for you to either pay the mortgage or move anytime soon. In that case, your best bet may be to try to have a good lawyer fight your case and stay in the property as long as possible while trying to work out a deal with the bank. Often, simply filing defenses and actively participating in the foreclosure case is all it takes, as many of the law firms that specialize in bank foreclosures do so on a volume basis. If something creates more work for the firm, it is in their best interest to put it aside and move on to other cases that they can push through the system much faster. As a result, your case could bog down for months or even years, giving you time to improve your circumstances or find alternative housing or take advantage of another program that may come along to help you in your situation. Of course, there are dozens of reasons why you may want to avoid foreclosure and many more ways to do it. Your best option will be to discuss your case with an attorney who can help you determine the most appropriate course of action for your situation. At Keaveney Legal Group, we help people avoid foreclosure and stay in their homes every day. We're dedicated to helping people just like you, and we would be happy to provide you with a free, no-obligation consultation. But the sooner you act, the better your chances of getting the results you want. You can email me at jim@keaveneylegalgroup.com or give us a call at 1-800-219-0939. I'm Jim Keaveney. Have a wonderful day.